with Southwest Airlines. We'd like to be the first to welcome you to beautiful, snowy Oklahoma City. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened, seatbacks and tray tables in their full upright and locked positions. Make sure your carrying items stay right where they are. Don't get up until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Be careful when opening the overhead bins. Items may have shifted during flight and could fall out. You can use your cell phones now as long as they're within arm's reach. If you're connecting here to another Southwest flight, please check the TV monitors in the terminal for your flight and gate information. If you're continuing on with us to Dallas, please just remain seated. We'll let you know when it's okay to get up and move out the cabin. Thanks so much for choosing us here at Southwest today. We do apologize for our delay. We hope to make it up to you again real soon on a future Southwest flight. Welcome to Oklahoma City.
You got it right, right?